Again, on one side you got your school supplies, and on the other side you got your cheese sticks. Not bad at all, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is of course empty out all the paper clips. So the box should be empty. And then when you guys are in class and want a little bit of candy to eat, just open up your pencil box, go after your pencil grips. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another how to sneak food into class video. I believe this is my 18th or 19th. I can't remember. It's pretty up there though. I know we're close to 20. So first of all, I'd like to thank everybody that gave a like to one of my previous videos where I stated that the goal was 1,000 likes and I would bring you guys another how to sneak food into class video. Well, thanks to you guys, here it is. Here's the video I promised you guys. Now, as far as the next goal, 3,000 likes, I will upload another video with 5 ways on how to sneak food into class for those of you that are going back to school, which should be anytime soon, right? As of right now, it's late July, so can't be long until you guys are back in school, in class, learning, reading books, doing homework. Not fun for some people, fun for others. Whatever the case is, guys, we all gotta eat. So in this video, I will be showing you guys some fun methods on how to sneak your favorite snacks, foods, and whatever you guys like to eat in class. So before we begin, guys, let's start off by making sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel and that you guys have your notifications turned on. Hit the thumbs up button and check it out. This right here, guys, is my supply box. Let me open it for you guys. I got a few supplies in here. I got pencils, pens, some whiteout, a glue stick, and money, but I have it in the form of pennies, which is a roll of pennies. These are very common and you guys can take these into class. Nobody should question these because it's money and there's nothing suspicious about money, right? So let me crack this open for you guys. Ow, that was harder than I thought. So yeah, I got pennies in there. You can clearly tell because of ants, you can see the pennies on there. But you guys can use these rolls to sneak some candy in class. All you need is a couple of pennies. Of course, you're also gonna need a roll of coins. Since coins are usually dirty, guys, we're gonna try to block them from touching our candy. So for that, we'll be using some clear tape. So just cover it with tape so that it doesn't touch our candy, like I'm doing so right here. And I'll do the same to both of them, because we don't want our candy being contaminated by the germs on the coins. Alright, it should look something like this. So we're gonna put one coin inside the roll, and this is what the bottom should look like. Now we can load it up with candy. And as I mentioned, guys, I have my sweet tarts here, which I'm gonna load up into the roll of coins. First, I'm gonna stack them up on the table because it'd be much easier this way, guys. Alright, that works. I'm gonna take my roll of pennies and I'm gonna pinch on the end so the penny that I already have in there doesn't fall off, and I'm just gonna place the roll over my stack of sweet tarts, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and look, we got the penny right there. Looks like a normal roll of coins, and inside you can clearly see that I got the sweet tarts. Actually, there's room for one more sweet tart, so here goes. And now I can put the penny in. That is it, guys. Look, I can put this inside my supply box and I can have this in class, right? When I do get hungry or want something sweet, all I gotta do is take out the roll of coins, take out the penny, and look, I got my sweet tarts right there, ready for me. Look how many. It's a handful of sweet tarts, all in this roll of pennies. This next hack is for those of you who skipped breakfast. Maybe you guys were running late, you didn't have enough time to eat breakfast, so therefore it's hard to learn when your stomach is empty. So here's an easy way just in case you're ever in a situation where you need to sneak your food into class. Right here I have a regular DVD case, which I'm gonna remove everything from inside, including the disc. This is a great cartoon, by the way. And the label. We need this to be empty. We're gonna create a new label for it, and we're gonna title it something around the lines of math tutoring or something school related. So get creative, guys. I myself am gonna call it math tutoring. So all you guys do is slide it in. Simple enough, right, pranksters? So now we have turned this into a school related item, which we can bring into class. Let's open it up. Here, where the disc usually goes, we're gonna remove the little button that's on the center. We don't need that at all, so let's cut it off. Alright guys, perfect. So now that it's gone, it's completely flat, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put a disc in there. So just take a blank disc, and on it, you guys can write math tutoring or something school related. I myself just wrote math on it. Here's what I don't like. The center of the disc is opened and exposed, so we need to block that, and I'm just gonna get a little cutout and just stick it on there, right on the center. Alright, so far so good guys. Alright, so now let's place it where it goes. On just one side, for example the bottom, I'm gonna take a piece of tape and tape the disc onto the case like so. At this point, we can actually open and close the disc on there. So now we have enough room to put something to eat in there. And I have my breakfast right here. These are little flats. Crackers are perfect for this as well. So look, you guys just put it in there and close it. The disc is now covering your breakfast, and you can close the case. And that's it guys. Whenever you guys get hungry, you know you have your breakfast in there. Just open it up. Open up the disc. And there's your breakfast. Ready to be eaten. You guys can even trim down a Pop-Tart and put it in there. Just get rid of the crust because nobody really eats that. But anyway guys, that's the idea. You guys can sneak food into class using a DVD case that you turned into something school related. Alright guys, so you're doing your work and you get a little bit hungry, not a lot, but you still want something in your stomach. You want to be able to eat something sweet while you do your work at school. And right here I have just a common candy that you guys can find anywhere. Well, here's a really easy way to sneak your candy into class. Of course, it's got to be little candy like this. Let me show you how small this candy really is. Look how tiny that is. But that is perfect. It's a little bit of fuel to keep you going throughout the day. So a good way to sneak such candy into class is to just use your pens and pencil grips, such as this one right here. All you guys gotta do is take your candy and slide it in. Look how easily it goes in. And you guys can put this in your supply box, and along with your other pencil grips, where you guys can also put more candy in. So just throw them in there. And then when you guys are in class and want a little bit of candy to eat, just open up your pencil box, go after your pencil grips, and just use a pencil to slide out the candy like this. See how simple that is? And you'll be enjoying your candy in no time, guys. It is really good candy, by the way. Let me show you guys one of my supply boxes. I got nothing but crayons in here, but if you guys take a look a little bit close, you guys can see that I have a box of paper clips. Now these are all different colors, which, you know, it doesn't matter at this point. But what I like about this particular box is that the top portion is see-through and then the bottom portion is covered by its label. So I just figured, well, why not use that bottom portion to sneak some food into class? And that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. To be able to pull that off, I'm also gonna need a crayon box. Of course, I don't need the crayons. I just need the little crayon box that it comes in. And this is a pretty plain box, but it is perfect for what we're gonna do. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is of course empty out all the paper clips. So the box should be empty. And that is a lot of paper clips. For $1, that is a good price. So now we gotta trim off the crayon box to the size of the paper clip box, but it's gotta be just the right size so that it's covered by the label. So let's get the right measurements. I got my line right there where I'm gonna make the cut, and then I'm just gonna cut. I actually had to undo the flaps so it'd be easier for me to cut, so I'm gonna reassemble everything. Now that the crayon box is just the right size, I'm gonna push it inside the box of paper clips. So it should be able to fit inside the bottom. And it sure does, guys. Look. I push it in and it's covered perfectly by the label. As you guys can see the top, you guys can see that the box is there. So that is perfect so far. Now inside of the crayon box, we have enough room to put whatever we want inside. Something that will fit in. So it's not like you guys can put a lot in there, but it might be just enough to keep you from being hungry in class. Since I love Takis, that's what I'm gonna be putting inside my crayon box. So let's take one out and see if it'll fit. And sure enough, it fits. So now we can stack a few in there. I was able to fit about 8 Takis in there. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, guys, but when you're hungry, 8 is perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna close up the box from the bottom. Now, as far as the top of the box of paper clips, we're just gonna put some paper clips back in there just to make it seem normal. So let's load it up. All right, that'll do. Well, actually, I put a lot of them in there. Yeah, that's perfect. We're gonna close it up. And at this point, our hack has been completed. It looks like a regular box of paper clips, right? You can't tell anything's wrong with it. So just keep it in your crayon box. I have it right here. No one's gonna suspect anything because it is a school supply. It belongs in the classroom. So when you guys get hungry, just take it out. Again, nobody's gonna suspect anything. Nobody should say anything. And when you guys get hungry, all you guys gotta do is open up the bottom, not the top, but the bottom where the Takis are at. And there they are, guys. And you guys can take them out and start eating them. Again, 8, 9, as many as you guys can fit. It doesn't matter as long as you're able to eat in class, right? That's the whole point. That's a couple mouthfuls of Takis. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. This last one, I would say it's my favorite because there's not much you have to do to it. So I went to the dollar store the other day and I saw something amazing. One of the best supply boxes I have ever seen. Let me open it up for you guys. You guys can clearly see that I've already put some supplies in there. I got a highlighter, a pencil, a pen, some erasers, pencil grips, and a few push pins. It's a regular supply box, and even the top is see-through. This is one of the greatest things I have ever seen at the dollar store. Why? Well, because guys, if you close it and flip it over, there's another compartment right there, which you guys can open, and it has enough room to put food in there. How awesome is that? And this was only $1. This is one of the best finds at the dollar store, guys. I paid $1 for this, and this is the perfect way to sneak food into class. Because on one side, you can have your school supplies, and on the other side, you guys can have actual food. And I've shown you ways on how to make secret compartments on the bottom of school supplies, but this one is already made for you guys. So, again, you have your supplies here, and on the bottom, get creative and put anything you guys want in there. And me, since I'm always hungry, this is what I would put in there. I got some cheese sticks right here, which I'm gonna put inside. Look at how cheesy those are. And look, it even has a compartment for ketchup, which of course I'm gonna fill up with it. So I got a full meal right there, guys. Got some cheese sticks and ketchup. If you guys get crazy enough, go heat up a Hot Pocket, push it in a little, and you guys can fit it in there. Close it up. Again, on one side, you got your school supplies, and on the other side, you got your cheese sticks. Not bad at all, guys. If this happens to be you, you're dipping your cheese stick into your ketchup, and then teacher approaches you, do this real quick, and then she comes over and says, hey, what do you got in there? Oh, it's just my school supplies, teacher. Nothing to see here, really. When she turns around, flip it over again, and look, you can enjoy your cheese sticks. I'm telling you guys, for $1, this is a steal. I always wanted to invent one of these, and it seems like somebody already did. I got this at the Dollar Tree. So if you guys have a Dollar Tree around your house, go and look for these. It is a great investment, and again, you don't have to do much. Just fill it up with school supplies on one side and food on the other. Try it out. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And those, guys, were 5 simple ways that you guys can sneak your favorite snacks or whatever you guys like to eat in class without getting caught. These are very easy to do, and it doesn't take much. As you guys just saw, very simple stuff you guys can get at the dollar store, and it'll make it easier for you guys to sneak your favorite snacks in class. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and you didn't give it a like yet, please do so right now. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe right now. Again, the goal was 3,000 likes, and I will bring you another how to sneak food into class video. So I hope we meet that goal soon, because I know a lot of you guys are in the process of going back to school. So why not kick off the new school year right with ways on how to sneak food into class? Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I really appreciate it. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Alright, pranksters, if you guys want to see more life hacks like the ones I just showed you, click up here. Now, if you guys are interested in pranks, click up here. Go ahead, guys, click on either one of them. I'm waiting.